Welcome! Today we're making a creamy rich Alfredo sauce from scratch. This sauce is the perfect combination of butter, cream, and Parmesan cheese, creating a velvety smooth base that will elevate any pasta dish. It's easy to make and can be ready in just a few simple steps. Whether you're making classic fettuccine Alfredo or adding it to your favorite pasta, this sauce is sure to impress. So, grab your ingredients and let's get cooking. Alright, let's get started on our creamy Alfredo sauce. First, grab 1 cup of unsalted butter. Then you'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, which will give the sauce its rich, velvety texture. For an extra creamy touch, you will need 4 ounces of cream cheese. That's about 1 cup. Now to bring in some great flavor, prepare 4 cloves of minced garlic. Next, we'll need 1.5 cups of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Trust me, fresh is best. For season, a pinch of salt, a few cracks of black pepper, and if you like, a dash of ground nutmeg for a bit of warmth. And to finish, a sprinkle of fresh parsley or basil for garnish. That's it. Let's move on to making the sauce. Let's start by melting the butter. Take 1 cup of unsalted butter and add it to a large saucepan or skillet over medium heat. Let the butter melt slowly, stirring occasionally to keep it from browning. While that's happening, let's prep our garlic. Grab 4 cloves of garlic, mince them finely, and once the butter is completely melted, add the garlic into the pan. Stir it for about a minute until you start to smell that amazing aroma. Be careful, don't let the garlic brown, as it can become bitter. We're just looking for that beautiful, fragrant golden garlic. This is where the magic begins. Now that your garlic is nice and fragrant, let's add the 2 cups of heavy cream. Pour it into the pan slowly, stirring constantly to combine it with the melted butter and garlic. This creates that rich, creamy base for your Alfredo sauce. If you're using cream cheese, this is the perfect time to add it too. 4 ounces of cream cheese, or about 1 cup. Cut it into small chunks to help it melt more evenly. Stir continuously until the cream cheese melts completely and becomes smooth with the cream. Don't rush this step. Just keep stirring until everything is fully incorporated, creating a thick, creamy mixture. Once the cream and cream cheese are well mixed, lower the heat to medium-low and bring the sauce to a gentle simmer. This is where we'll let the sauce cook and thicken slightly. Let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. You want it to bubble gently but not boil aggressively, or it might separate. Keep an eye on the consistency. It should start thickening up. If it gets too thick for your liking, you can always add a little bit of pasta water or a splash more cream. Just keep it simmering until it's nice and creamy and has reached the perfect texture. Now, the magic ingredient, Parmesan cheese. Take about 1.5 cups of freshly grated Parmesan and start adding it a little bit at a time to the sauce. Stir continuously to ensure the cheese melts smoothly into the sauce. Don't dump it all in at once. This helps prevent clumps from forming and ensures the sauce stays silky. Keep stirring until all the cheese is melted and the sauce is super creamy. You'll notice the sauce thickening further as the cheese melts in. This is the point where the Alfredo sauce really starts to come together rich and velvety. Now it's time to season the sauce. Start by adding a pinch of salt. This will really bring out the flavors of the cream and cheese. Add a few cracks of freshly ground black pepper to taste. If you want to add a bit more complexity, sprinkle in a tiny pinch of ground nutmeg. It's totally optional, but it adds a lovely warmth and depth to the sauce. Stir everything well and taste the sauce to make sure it's just right. If you need more salt or pepper, now's the time to adjust. Once you're happy with the seasoning, take the sauce off the heat and get ready to serve. Your Alfredo sauce is ready to go. If you've just cooked pasta, now's the time to toss it directly into the sauce. Give it a good stir so the pasta is fully coated with that creamy sauce. If you like your pasta extra creamy, feel free to add a little bit of pasta water to loosen it up. You can also use this Alfredo sauce as a base for other dishes, like baked pasta or even as a topping for chicken or vegetables. For an extra touch, sprinkle some fresh parsley or basil on top for color and a burst of freshness. And there you have it, creamy rich Alfredo sauce ready to enjoy. Let's talk about a few tips to make your Alfredo sauce even better. Always use freshly grated Parmesan. Pre-grated or powdered cheese might seem convenient, but it doesn't melt as smoothly and can make the sauce grainy. Fresh Parmesan gives you that creamy, luxurious texture we're aiming for. Another tip is to keep the heat low while cooking the sauce. If the heat is too high, the butter or cream can separate, and you might end up with a curdled sauce. Keep it at a low to medium-low simmer, so everything stays smooth and creamy. Also, be sure to stir constantly once the cream and cheese are added. This prevents the cheese from clumping together and helps it melt evenly into the sauce. If you find that your sauce is too thick, don't worry. You can always thin it out with a little pasta water. The starchy water from your pasta actually helps the sauce adhere better and keeps it silky. And for the best result, cook your pasta and sauce simultaneously. After draining the pasta, toss it directly into the Alfredo sauce to coat evenly. If you want an extra creamy texture, save a bit of pasta water and mix it into the sauce for better adherence. Enjoy your homemade Alfredo sauce.